in a diagonal. Okay, and so I fell out in a diagonal, and then like I was like screaming and shit. So because we lived across this tree from my school, my dad's apartment, so we came back the next day and we found the toothpaste on the sidewalk. It was dentist and like glued it back in. Like, how was I? I was in like 8 or 9. 10 years later, on the plane ride home from Ithaca College, I bite into a piece of ice and my fucking toothpaste that had been in my mouth for 10 years fucking falls out.
Oh my god!
And Emma laughs at me. It was right after you watch Arrested Development?
Yeah. Oh, actually,
Well, in one episode, Joe bites into a candy apple and his tooth falls out and he whistles. And so it happened like right after we were watching that episode on the plane. It was so. Anyways, but I mean, it was pretty lucky though, because like it wasn't at Ithaca, because then I would have had to deal with it. But I went and I only had to live without a tooth for